Hi and welcome back to the next lecture. Writing is an incredibly versatile skill, but not all writing is the same. Today we are diving into two major styles, creative writing and technical writing, and understanding when to use each. So if you're crafting a compelling story or explaining a complex process, knowing the difference can make a huge impact on your writing success. Let's break it down. Creative writing is all about expression, storytelling, and imagination. It's designed to evoke emotions, entertain, or inspire rather than simply inform. Here are some key characteristics. Use vivid imagery and figurative language. Think metaphors and descriptive details that paint a picture. Focus on storytelling and character development. Whether it's fiction, poetry, or personal essays, creative writing often includes rich narratives and engaging characters. There's no rigid format, creativity takes the lead. Evoke emotions and engage the reader. The goal is to make readers feel something, whether it's excitement, sadness, or curiosity. Here are some examples of creative writing. Novels and short stories, screenplays and scripts, poetry and songs, personal essays and memories, blog posts with a storytelling approach, and if your goal is to entertain or inspire, creative writing is the way to go. Now let's switch gears to technical writing. This style is all about clarity, precision, and functionality. It's designed to inform, instruct, or explain something in the simplest way possible. Key characteristics of technical writing is clear, concise, and structured. No fluff, no unnecessary adjectives, just straight to the point. Objective and factual. It relies on data, logic, and verified information rather than opinions or emotions. Uses specific terminology. Often includes industry jargon, but only when necessary. Highly structured format. Uses headings, bullet points, step-by-step instructions, and diagrams to enhance readability. Examples of technical writing. User manuals and guides, scientific and research papers, business reports and proposals, standard operating procedures, software documentations, and tutorials. Technical writing is best used when clarity and accuracy matter most, like when explaining how to use a product, write code, or conduct research. So when should you use creative writing and when should you go technical? If you want to tell a story, evoke emotions, or entertain, creative writing. If you need to explain a process, give instructions, or provide factual information, technical writing. Some projects require both. For example, a blog post might use storytelling to gauge readers while also providing factual information. A marketing campaign can blend creativity with technical accuracy, especially in product descriptions. A business presentation might start with a creative hook but follow with structured technical content. Understanding when and how to switch between these styles is a game changer for any writer. Creative and technical writing serve different purposes, but both are essential in the world of freelance writing. The more you master these styles, the more versatile and valuable you become as a writer. Now let's move to the next lesson and continue building your skills.